मैं घर जाऊँगा और मैं बनाऊँगा स्टडी ब्लॉग.
Hello. So our sent up exams are finished, but guess what? Obviously we have profs and उसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा and the hostel is getting a bit too depressing right now because
भाई एग्जैक्टली भाई ये ड्रामा है. बोल नहीं है.
will be a week full of studying बस क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम्स है और पढ़ना पड़ेगा और अनाटमी ने जान ले लिया है. ओके सो आई एम ऑल रेडी टू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. अब यहाँ पे आई मेड टाइम टेबल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग विद ऑल द यूनिट्स ऑफ अनाटमी. सो माई गोल इज़ बेसिकली कि देयर इज़ अ पर्सन कॉल्ड जौहरी MBBS एंड मेरे को 1.5 day में ऊपर से मेजर टॉपिक का रिव्यू करना है अनाट में एंड देन आई गो इन द डेप्थ ऑफ इट. तो आई वांट टू वॉच हिज वीडियोस एंड 5 यूनिट्स आज कवर करूँगी, 2 यूनिट्स कल सुबह. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इमेजिनरी but there's no harm in trying, right? Okay, so here I have my book and there my copy and the videos and okay, I'm ready to go. Let's start studying.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the bills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak, I feel myself fall. Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry, darling, there's no truth here. No, it's just the two of us, my dear. Listen to me, don't you hear? I only fell for you.
Not me pasting these charts at the complete end of the year. ये एकदम स्टार्टिंग में मिले थे पर यस हम तो साल के एंड में चिपकाएंगे दीवार पे. परफेक्ट.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
Okay, so I have just come back from the college and अभी 2:20 हो रहे हैं. So today my goal is अभी तो at least I need to study for 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay. 3 hours? Really?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
An eternity later.
Okay, so the weather is really nice abhi. I mean, it is chilly, but it's still fine. So I might sit outside and study, but usse pehle I need to have something. Maybe I'll have coffee. Yes.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the bills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak, I feel myself fall. Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry, darling, there's no truth here. No, it's just
I swear to गॉड मेरे से और नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा. I mean I can study more, but मेरे दिमाग में कुछ नहीं जा रहा है. So yeah, I'm done for the day and I'm exhausted. Oh my god, बस.
Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry darling, there's no truth here. No, it's just the truth.